Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with a pre-market analysis for today, Wednesday, the 9th of October 2013. You're watching the weekly chart. Before we go into the intraday session and the pre-market analysis of what we see it could happen today, I just want to show you the weekly chart right now. And this a small candlestick right now is trying to penetrate the body of the previous one, which was the one, the candlestick we all experienced with one of the biggest sell-off in the history of Bitcoin. Now we see a potential situation right now that is trying to penetrate minor resistance because of the buyer's power at the moment. We have an uptrend that is still consolidating, is still trying to break up, and as far as I'm concerned, few signals this morning are showing us the possibility that that breakup can happen. And right now, this is the trading view chart information. I want to share with you guys the same kind of information but on Clark Moody website. This is the 3-day chart. We're still with the continuation of the uptrend. This particular dodgy candlestick, the one you all see here, this red one, it was just basically didn't do much apart from just creating a little bit of uncertainty. But this new candlestick is definitely showing possibilities to continue for the continuation of the uptrend. The next target for this movement is probably getting new highs, creating new highs, which are the previous ones are on 139.80. We already have new highs on the daily chart, 139.50. Previous to that one was 139. That's a good sign right now, and pretty much the weekly chart still showing us this higher low, which has got a lot of potential to continue towards minor resistance, which are on 145, and the major resistance, which is the main one, and is 148. Right now our main concern is intraday. We have the daily chart. As you can see, we still got the P formation and also a higher low in formation right now. There it is. This one can happen and can be active anytime soon. Actually, it's active already, so it can start developing the movement anytime soon. And on the 240-minute chart, we see this particular situation. We break up the entire consolidation with this long range candlestick. Long range candlesticks at the end or at the beginning of a trend shows several situations. At this point, long range candlesticks at the beginning, and in this case is a green long range candlesticks, sometimes shows the initiation of a new trend. In this case, hopefully this could be the sign, because after denying this entire pivot and all these candlesticks using the SMA 200 as a main support to push the price to go up, break up and create new highs, is definitely a good signal. What we expecting at this point is to create a new higher low in this area, or in the last case scenario, if that doesn't happen and the price breaks up without any particular patterns in the 240-minute chart, we might need to find new higher lows in the 60-minute chart. This is something that we need to take into consideration, because if the 240-minute chart doesn't decide to give us an entrance, then the 60-minute chart should be the one. And the next target for these particular patterns or this particular movement could be first the 145 chart, which is the 145 resistance, which is a minor resistance, and then after that 148 could be the main resistance to break and try to reach with this new possible move of the currency at the moment. This is what's happening at the moment, so keep your eyes open in a sense of any opportunities to find patterns to buy and go long, because it's possible that we see the currency visiting higher areas and higher prices. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day. Goodbye.